Video enhancer app is not enough to achieve this type of video quality. I'm gonna share with you how you can do it. No one shared with you till the date. On one condition, don't skip any part of the video. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of you fine. New to my channel, consider subscribe. Open your Chrome web browser on mobile and type app.topazlabs.com, and then we have this type of interface. Click on the top right side menu and choose the desktop mode. After that, click on the upscale button. First time you need to create account. Click on the top right side login button and create the account. You will get 20 credits free of cost. If you need to know in depth, I am already did the video on how to enhance video quality on mobile using Topaz. You can check it out. After uploading video on the top right side, we have some settings available and resolution. 4K resolution is automatically selected. If not in your case, you have to click on the 4K, choose the standard model and sharpness set to 60. Frame interpolation or frame boost also available 48 and 60 fps respectively. In the bottom right side, click on the upscale to 4K. Your credits will be deducted and this will take some time on this type of interface. Uploading video, initializing. Once processing finished, move to the top right side. Click on video, download your video here. Move on the next step, PrettyUp. Choose the video from the home screen. Maybe you see this type of interface, swipe up and down, you see the cancel option on the top right side. After that, import the same video which one we recently enhanced in the Topaz labs on the web. We have a lot of options here. Click on edit and first of all you need to set exposure 84, clarity 32, structure 60, sharpen 12, saturation 18, ambience 8 or 9, contrast -10, and at the last we have level black and white level. Black level set to 32, and then you can see the preview here before and after video looks much better, and it's literally like you have seen a lot of edits on the Instagram, and this is much easier way. All done. You can see the before and after comparison and the preview. Voila, congrats, you achieved something premium, someone selling for the cost, and I shared with you free of cost. So support the creator, subscribe, share, like. For the export, click on the top right side and choose the settings according to your preference. In case somehow Topaz is not free of cost, if you're watching after 1 or 2 years of uploading date, then you can replace the Topaz with any other video enhancer app. You can check out my video enhancer playlist. For that, let me know in the comments how many video enhancer apps and services you know. In that way, someone in future came Topaz is not free, so he can replace with it. This is the most easy way to achieve such type of video quality on the mobile. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.